Students, good morning all of you. Today we discuss land bridge and the sea bridge and breeze. The people living in the coastal area experience an interesting phenomenon. During the day, the land gets heated faster than the water. Okay, so first we discuss land breeze. So, what is land breeze? Land breeze is a type of wind that blows from the land to the ocean. Land breeze is a type of wind that blows from the land to the ocean. Okay. In the daytime, land very hot and sea much cooler. Blow from the land to the ocean. Okay. Sometimes there is a temperature difference between the land surface and the oceans, and the wind will move offshore. Land breeze usually occur at night. During the day, the sun will heat the land. Daytime, the sun will heat the land. Land breeze usually occur at night time. At night, the water will retain more of its heat than the land. Water has a high heat capacity. We know that water has a high heat capacity. Land breeze usually occur at night time. During the day, the sun will heat the land. At night, the water will retain more of its heat than the land. Okay, children, so you understand? Land breeze is a type of wind that blows from the land to the ocean. Wind blows from the land to the ocean. Okay? And we discuss sea breeze. Sea blowing breeze from sea toward land during the day is called sea breeze. Actually, sea breeze contain daytime. Okay, sea breeze from sea towards land during the day is called sea breeze. They are formed during the daytime when land and sea both are heated equally by the sun. But land has very low specific heat capacity. Okay, land is very low heat capacity as compared to the sea. Okay, so it is heated up more quickly. Land heated more quickly. Those air above land due to heat becomes lighter and rises up. Thus pressure decreases and cold and humid air above the sea blowing toward the land. Okay, land breeze. Sea breeze usually occur at daytime, but land breeze usually occur at night time. Okay, at night it is actually the reverse. Land and sea both are heated equally by the sun, but land has very low specific heat capacity as compared to the sea, so it is heated up more quickly. Okay, our understand, students, this is the difference between the land breeze and the sea breeze. Okay.